Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got CND Rescue Rxx and CeraVe Healing Ointment and Moisturizing Cream. So here are what my nails look like right now when I get started on this treatment. And I just wanted to share my whole experience with you all. You can see that the skin is definitely crusty. I have a little bit of damage on my nail plates and they're just not growing. So this is how you apply the Rescue Rxx. It is an oil. You rub it in. Don't wash your hands for 30 minutes. And you do this once a day. So I'm going to show you my results. I'm going to do the whole 4 weeks of treatment. And I'm going to take pictures and show you at the end what they look like each step of the way. And the stuff smells good. And here's the CeraVe Healing Ointment and the CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. These are huge tubs of both of them. They'll last me a long time. So I take a little dollop of the ointment and rub it into my nails and around my cuticles and everywhere. I do this part first. I go in with the ointment, rubby-dubby-dub, rub it all in. Yes, yes. And then I put a dab of the lotion, moisturizing lotion on and rub it in. And I did this every day for 4 weeks. Every day. So there we go. So here is a picture of what they started out after the first application. And here is after using this treatment for a week. And I'm not seeing a huge difference. And then after 2 weeks of daily use, I'd like to hear your thoughts if you see any improvements. And then after the 3rd week, there's what my nails looked like. And here we go after 4 weeks of daily use. I don't know if it helped or not, but I'm not going to knock it. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.